Many people are under the impression that security personnel who carry a gun make more money than unarmed security personnel. Security personnel who carry firearms typically need specialized training to handle and use weapons safely. This training incurs additional costs, which are not present for unarmed security personnel. The investment in training for armed guards can offset the perceived higher pay. Training is a prerequisite if you want to carry a firearm while working as a security guard. Security companies that employ armed guards often face higher liability insurance costs due to the increased risks associated with firearms. This expense contributes to the overall cost of hiring armed security personnel and may impact their net pay compared to their unarmed counterparts. There are stringent regulations governing the use of firearms in security services. Compliance with these regulations requires additional training, paperwork, adherence to strict protocols, and ongoing monitoring. Unarmed security personnel may not be subject to the same level of regulatory scrutiny, reducing the administrative burden and associated costs. While armed security guards may be perceived as handling more dangerous situations, the presence of a firearm can escalate tensions and pose higher risks in certain scenarios. Unarmed security personnel may be deployed in locations or situations with lower perceived risk, potentially leading to higher compensation. Some clients or businesses may prefer unarmed security for various reasons, such as avoiding the perception of an overly aggressive security presence. In such cases, unarmed security personnel may be in higher demand, leading to competitive pay rates or even higher wages compared to armed counterparts. Some clients want an armed guard just for show. They don't want you to use deadly force. Understand this. Liabilities of carrying a firearm as a security guard. Legal consequences. Carrying a firearm comes with the responsibility to comply with strict legal regulations. Any misuse or improper handling of the weapon can result in serious legal consequences, including criminal charges and civil liabilities. Training and certification. Armed security guards must undergo extensive training and obtain proper certifications to handle firearms legally. Failure to meet these requirements can lead to legal penalties and jeopardize the security personnel's career. Escalation of force. The presence of a firearm can escalate the level of force used in a situation. Security personnel must be well trained to assess threats accurately and use proportional force, avoiding unnecessary escalation that could lead to injuries or fatalities. Increased risk of confrontation. Armed guards may become primary targets in situations where perpetrators seek to disarm security personnel. This increased risk of confrontation can put both the security guard and others in the vicinity in danger. Psychological impact. Carrying a firearm can have a psychological impact on security personnel, leading to increased stress and vigilance. The constant awareness of the potential consequences of firearm use can affect mental well-being and job satisfaction. This is when you think about different scenarios. Think about what you will do in each scene. Understand that just because you have a firearm does not mean you make more money.